mamas, in this video we are going to be talking about when to start the keto diet while breastfeeding and how far postpartum you should be. Hey guys, if we haven't met, I'm Julie and I'm a ketogenic health coach, and I specialize in working with breastfeeding mamas to help them safely lose the baby weight all without losing their milk supply. And in this video we are going to be talking about how far postpartum you should be to start the keto diet. So with my clients, I usually recommend to wait at least 3 to 4 weeks postpartum or until milk supply is fully stable. It can take mamas up to 6 to 8 weeks or even more to have their milk supply fully stable. So you want to pay attention to your milk supply and when your milk supply is fully stable. This is a very important step to do before starting the keto diet or any diet in that matter. So I know most mamas are so eager to jump right in, but I always like to remind mamas that having a newborn at home and possibly other little ones can be really stressful. So for the first few weeks postpartum, you'll just want to focus on being with your little one, getting on a schedule, and really focusing on supply and demand because that will really build up your milk supply and it's really important. Another great thing to do before starting the keto diet is that you can still add in the keto nutrient-dense food. So start adding in the healthy fats, the keto lactation recipes, and that can really help milk supply. And I'll make sure to put a link to all my keto lactation recipes below because you will definitely want to check those out. So if you are wondering if your milk supply is fully stable, make sure to reach out and I can help you. And always be sure to talk to your healthcare provider before changing anything up in your diet. So now that you know that you should wait at least 3 to 4 weeks postpartum to begin any diet, make sure to check out my next video on the top 6 tips on how to start a keto diet safely so you don't lose your milk supply. I'll make sure to link that below and put it up above here as well. And then make sure to hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. I'd love to know what keto and breastfeeding questions do you have. Make sure to post them below this video.